In this short tutorial, I will show you how to make a perfect, symmetrical, round garland. I'm calibrating a 12-inch purple balloon to 22.5 centimeters. I'm calibrating a 12-inch green balloon by 16.5 centimeters. Tie these balloons into a pair. You will need 30 for pairs. I connect these pairs together using balloons for modeling, sized to 160. Clusters are superimposed on each other crosswise and tied. To fasten the garland, 1 revolution around the balloon is enough. Knit tight, but don't over-tighten. Please note that I have intentionally used contrasting balloon colors to illustrate the weaving pattern. Green balloons of a smaller diameter should make up the inside of the garland. If the circle does not fit together, add another cluster and fix the circle as shown in the video. You'll have a very cool, bright, and sturdy garland.